I welcome all of you for the Quiz Masters round of the program. Spare a minute to learn it, the sure way to win it. Now we have come to the fourth round and the final round, that is CET round. In this round, we have taken some questions asked in the CET examinations of the previous years and which are most likely to appear for the upcoming CET exams also. Now the question is, the figure shows the energy level of a certain atom. So this is the figure. This is the energy level of a certain atom. When the electron de-excites from third energy level to first energy level, an electromagnetic wave of wavelength lambda is emitted. So let's suppose that the electron has de-excited from third energy level to first energy level. Now we get an electromagnetic wave, and the wavelength of the electromagnetic wave is given as lambda. Now we are supposed to find the wavelength of the electromagnetic wave when the electron de-excites from the phi e by 3 energy level to first energy level. That is, we are not supposed to find the wavelength. Now let's mark this wavelength for this particular transition from phi e by 3 state to E state as lambda dash. Okay. Now we know from Bohr's postulate that when electron jumps from one orbit to another orbit, say from first orbit to second orbit, then E1 minus E2 is equal to delta E, which is equal to h nu, or h nu is nothing but h into c by lambda. This we already know. So we take this relation, hc by lambda is equal to transition from 3e to 1e state, that is 3e minus e, we get 2e, call it as equation 1. Now for transition from phi e by 3 to E state, the wavelength is marked as lambda dash. So hc by lambda dash is equal to phi e by 3 minus e. Transition has taken from this state to this state, phi e by 3 to E state. So phi e by 3 minus e. This gives 2e by 3. Now to get the value of lambda, what we need to do is just divide the two equations. Divide 1 by 2. That is lambda dash by lambda is equal to 3, or lambda dash is equal to 3 lambda upon simplification. So the correct answer is A. In fact, you had already known the answer. The participant in the quiz program has answered as A, option A, that is 3 lambda. So we actually came to know how the answer is 3 lambda.